Hello friends, welcome to SRAM Technical. Today I will explain to you in full detail about basic electronic components. We have the main first component resistor in electronic components. This is resistor. There are many types in resistor and we simply call it as fixed resistor. Resistor is a component that regulates the flow of electric current in a circuit. This is a 4-band resistor. It means 4 different colors present on the resistor. Every color has different value. Based on order of colors, we calculate the resistance. And also, we have resistance color code chart. By using that chart, we can easily find the resistance of the resistor. This is resistor symbol similar to zigzag model. The symbol is used to summarize the resistor found in circuits. Next, variable resistor. Simply called it as potentiometer. This is variable resistor. If the knob is rotated, resistance value changes. In fixed resistor, based on color bands, we assume resistance. In fixed resistor, based on color bands, we assume resistance. But in potentiometer, they will display. This is a 10K resistor. 10K means from 1 ohm to 1 kilo ohm, we can change the resistance by rotating this knob. These are used in power supplies for voltage, current changing and amplifiers. This is the variable resistor symbol, similar to resistor, but a arrow is placed. The symbol is used to summarize the resistor found in circuits. Next component, capacitor. This is capacitor. There are many types in capacitor and we called it as electrolytic capacitor. A capacitor is used to store energy and it acts as a filter. This is 1000 microfarad 50 volts capacitor. Capacitor has polarities like positive and negative. You see a minus symbol printed on grey color. So this is negative terminal and remaining terminal is positive. This is another type called ceramic capacitor. For these capacitors, capacitance should not be mentioned, but they have some codes. Based on that codes, we calculate the capacitance. For this capacitor, code is 104. 104 means 10 into 10 power 4 picofarad is equals to 10 power 5 picofarad is equal to 0.1 microfarad. This is 0.1 microfarad capacitor. So based on codes, we calculate the capacitance. This is the capacitor symbol. The symbol is used to summarize the capacitor found in circuits. Next component, transistor. It is a semiconductor device. There are many types in transistor. Here we are seeing about BJT NPN and BJT PNP transistors. This is NPN and this is PNP transistor. And comparing, both are similar to C. So we can't tell which transistor is NPN and which transistor is PNP. But transistors have numbers. Based on that, we can define the transistor is NPN or PNP. I have NPN transistor numbered BC547 and PNP transistor numbered BC558. If you don't know correctly, search the transistor number in internet and download the datasheet and they define what type of transistor it is. Transistor have 3 terminals, collector, base and emitter. So many people confuse which terminal is emitter and which terminal is collector. In all BJT transistors, center terminal is always base. Remaining terminals are collector and emitter. See, the transistor has flat surface on one side and curved surface on another side. If you place flat surface on ground, from left to right, first terminal is emitter, center terminal is base and third terminal is collector. Both NPN and PNP transistors have same configuration. These are transistor symbols. For NPN transistor, arrow is going outside and for PNP transistor, arrow is coming inside. The symbol is used to summarize the transistors found in circuits. Next component, PN diode. It is a semiconductor device. This is PN diode. It has 2 terminals, one is anode and another one is cathode. For diode, one side is of full black color and remaining side contains a silver ring. The silver ring side terminal is cathode, that is negative terminal, and remaining terminal is anode, that is positive terminal. Diode conducts only in forward bias. In reverse bias, it does not conduct. This is diode symbol. Forward bias means the positive terminal of diode is connected to positive terminal of battery and negative terminal of diode is connected to negative terminal of battery. Reverse bias means positive terminal of diode is connected to negative terminal of battery and negative terminal of diode is connected to positive terminal of battery. And connecting diode in forward bias, it conducts. Otherwise, it does not conduct. This is PN diode symbol. The symbol is used to summarize the PN diode found in circuits. Next component, Zener diode. It is a semiconductor device. It has two terminals, one is anode and another one is cathode. This is Zener diode. For Zener diode, one side is of full red color and remaining side contains a black color ring. The black ring side terminal is cathode, that is negative terminal, and remaining side is anode, that is positive terminal. When Zener diode is reverse biased, it acts as a voltage regulator. Reverse bias means positive terminal of diode is connected to negative terminal of battery and positive terminal of battery is connected to negative terminal of diode. This is Zener diode symbol. The symbol is used to summarize the Zener diode found in circuits. Next component, light emitting diode, LED. It contains two terminals, one is anode and another one is cathode. By observing inside of LED, there are two conductors. The small conductor terminal is anode, that is positive terminal, and remaining terminal is cathode, that is negative terminal. The long lead terminal is positive and small lead terminal is negative. This is LED symbol similar to PN diode but two arrows emitting outside. Next component, transformer. This is a 12012 2 amp transformer. If you give AC in input, it also gives AC in output. Transformers are of two types. One is step down transformer and another one is step up transformer. In step down transformer, primary has more number of turns and secondary has less number of turns. In step up transformer, primary has less number of turns and secondary has more number of turns. In which coil we are giving input, that is primary, and output appears at secondary. I will do a separate video on transformer. In that I will explain in detail about transformer. The symbol is used to summarize the transformers found in circuits. Next component, speaker. This is speaker. It converts electrical signals into audio signals. It contains a coil and a permanent magnet placed around it. It mostly used in amplifiers. Next, piezo buzzer. This is buzzer. When it is connected to a battery, it gives buzzer sound. This is piezo buzzer symbol. This is speaker symbol. The symbol is used to summarize the speaker or buzzer found in circuits. Next component, inductor. This is inductor. A copper wire is wounded on a core. It works on principle of electromagnetic induction. It means in magnetic field, when an electric current is passed through it, it stores energy. It acts like a filter. Inductance was measured in Henry, simply represented as H. This is inductor symbol. The symbol is used to summarize inductor found in circuits. Next component, relay. It is an electrical switch. It works on principle of electromagnetic induction. It is important component in electronics. You see, this is a 5-pin relay. Contains 3 terminals on one side and 2 terminals on another side. First and second pins are coil terminals. Third pin is common. Fourth pin is NC, normally closed. And fifth terminal is NO, normally open. This is relay circuit symbol. It is used to produce time delay functions and also control high voltage signals with the help of low voltage signals. This is about basic electronic components. I hope you understand. So friends, please like, comment, share my video, subscribe my channel and activate bell icon to get latest updates. Thanks for watching.